Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a quick little Euphoria makeup. As you can see, I already did it. Here's a close-up. I'm about to go take my pictures. I have some stuff to do after this, so that's why I'm talking hella fast. Here's the look. If you want to see how to do it, then just keep watching. Really appreciate you taking some time out of your day to hang out with me. I know you got a lot on your recommended and you happen to choose my video, so shout out to you. Hope you're having a great day or night wherever you guys are, and stick around if you want to see the tutorial for this look. Hey guys, sorry to just pop in here. I just wanted to say really quick, I almost forgot what I was even gonna say. So, my phone is dying. Let me show you my inspo photos before we get into this video. This is obviously, I'm filming this hours later. Oh, here's a cute little dog I saw at the store today. Okay. Scrolling. Okay, so today's makeup is inspired by, and now my phone is totally being weird. Okay, now we have it. Today's makeup is going to be inspired by Cassie's makeup. So here's one of the looks. I'm sure you guys saw it if you saw the Euphoria. And it also has like, I sent my whole look to my cousin and she said it has Maddie hair vibes. Or wait, no, she said Cassie hair vibes, Maddie eye makeup. Sorry, I don't know what I'm saying. Okay, and here's my last inspo photo. So as you can see, she's got a pretty matte pink shadow wing kind of deal. So that's what I did today. I did a mix of the two. So yes, this is what it is hours later, in case you're interested. I love her. Please enjoy my video and give me a like and all that. Okay, bye. Okay, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate you. Please, if you can, give me a like if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. I haven't said that in a while, but it would really mean a lot to me. It really helps me out. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next one.